How to post then and now pictures on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can post your own comparison pictures on Facebook. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. First thing you need to do is open up your Facebook account and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, what you need to do is go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. From here, you want to find your memories. So what this will do is it allows you to post a older picture and compare it to your current photo. So from here, tap on memories. And once you get here, you will find all of your memories and you just have to scroll down a bit. Here you will find different layouts for your memories. Then and now, highlights, journey, and ask a question. You want to select the first picture, then and now. And on this layout here, on the first picture, you are going to add a older photo. And on the second one, you are going to add a recent photo, indicating that um, how you have transformed from your older version to your newer one. So tap on choose older photo, and if you have uploaded your older pictures, it will show up here, or you can also add from your device. You can choose from your albums as well. So I'm just going to select this random photo for now. Once you select this picture, tap on next. And on your recent photo, you are going to add another one. So I'm just going to choose a different picture right here. Tap on next. And then you should be good to go. Tap on next. If you want to add any kind of captions, you can do that as well. Tap on post. And your then and now post should be created like this. So if I refresh my page and go to my profile, I should be able to see this post like this. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you on the next one.